What is up, YouTube? Chefstax here, and today we're gonna be making cookies, chefstax style. So if you have any YouTube video ideas that you want me to do, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, So first what you want to do is let this thaw out, probably 30 minutes. For now, let's find something to do to pass the time. But before you do anything, make sure your area is clear. Alright, so now I have my dough balls ready. So first I'm going to butter. Take a butter, salt it or unsalted, and start buttering. Be very careful. Alright, so as you can see, I'm finished. Now, the next thing you need to acquire is a bag of granola. Now, you don't need it, but this will make it taste, a little bit better. What you do, bag of granola, take one of these, stick it in the bag of granola, and roll it. Don't roll it too much though, because too much will get on it. Then you do this, but you make a mess, but be careful, because you will make a mess. As you can see, I am finished. Now use some baking spray and spray it onto here. Alright, everything is ready. Time to put it in the mini oven. Ooh, it's hot. And be sure to preheat the oven if you didn't already. I'm gonna just edit that in at the beginning. Now we wait. Put them in on 300 degrees for 20 minutes, then put them back in on 350 degrees for 10 more minutes. When they're finished, this is what they should look like. These good looking bags. Let them cool down. Oh my god. If you want more videos like this, get this to 20 likes.